Good evening, children. Today I'm going to see about the third standard social, unit 3, district administration. District administration. We will look after the district administration. Understand how the district functions and know about the how. First point is how the district functions. District, every over districts irukilla, so many districts are there in the state. So how the districts function. First one is. Second point. And next we are going to see about the different departments. What are the departments are there? How the districts are undertook the departments. Different departments working in the working in the district. என்னென்ன departments அந்த districtல இருக்கு. Who will took over the districts? And then know the responsibility of the district collector. So this only we are going to see in this lesson. Responsibility of district collector. Okay. So in this lesson, how the districts function, what are the different departments working in the districts, and responsibility of the district collector. Here in this lesson, a small girl named Kaveri and her father are at home. They are watching the news on television. Father, Kaveri, the district collector has given order that the schools will remain closed from tomorrow till further notice because of heavy rain. So you might have heard in the news also that if there is a heavy rain or it's going to shower, the district collector will give the order and they will announce the schools remain closed till the further notice they will give. So what Kaveri is asking, so if you say holiday means you will be very happy. So she is dancing and saying no school, district collector. Who is the district collector? That she is asking. Only district collector will give the orders. Father, district collector is the administrative of the district. Who is the district collector? He is the administrative of the district collector. District collector is the administrative head of a district. Administrative head of a district. Over district collector irupanga. Okay, he is the administrative head, district collector. So he only gives the order for the schools closed. And district collector is responsible for proper and smooth functioning of the district. Only the collector will give the responsibility. He is responsible for the proper and the smooth functioning. He is responsible. So Kaveri is asking, so many functionings is going on. One person can take care of everything. No, Kaveri, there are more subordinates in district administration to assist the district collector. So nariya subordinates avarku keela nariya per irupanga. So in the district administration to assist, avaru assist பண்றதுக்கு கைட் பண்றதுக்கு அவருக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்றதுக்கு to assist the district collector like யாரெல்லாம் இருப்பாங்க டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் கலெக்டர் கேளுனா district medical officer. So இங்க வந்து subordinates யாரு subordinates of the collectors subordinates of district collector யார் who will come under the subordinates will be there. They will take over the remaining. So யாரெல்லாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா district medical officer, then superintendent of police, then district forest officer, then chief educational officer, then revenue divisional officer, divisional officer, then and other officers. So these are the officers will come under the district collector. So these subordinates will take care of the other departments, that is district medical officer, superintendent of police, so medical kortha irupanga, then superintendent of police, then district forest officer, forest department, and chief educational officer, education department, revenue divisional officer and other officers. So these are the subordinates will come under the district collector. These heads take care of their own department. So our department they will take care of, police will take his own department, and medical officer they will check the health checkup and all, and they will see the hospitals, everything correct over functioning out, and each department will look after this one, and they are all a part of the district administration system. Over district, this will be the part of the administration system. These people will take care everything. However, district collector, he is very important. He is responsible for proper working of all departments to make sure that people are benefited by the government. So collector enna pannuvar, in the departments la ellarume proper work pandranga, people ku proper all the idella poi serudha. So what are the benefits given by the government that are going by the pay, that are given to the people? So adu ellame collector will look after this. So health officers, who is the health officers? Health officers are responsible for the government hospitals in the district. So district medical officer, the health officer will come under this. So these health officers are responsible for the government hospitals. So what they will do, the person in charge advises on health and the sanitation of the district. So over district, the hospitals like health eppadi pandranga, proper ella function avudha, then sanitation and all, how it is going on. So name some of the duties of the policeman. Okay, so the policeman is superintendent of police. Superintendent of police is responsible for the police force in the district. In the district la police force responsible is superintendent of the police. Law and order is maintained in the district. So sattam olungan solluvaanga, and the law and order is maintained in the district with the assistance from all police officers. Media officers irupanga, other officers, other police officers like inspectors and the constables. So superintendent of police enna panna, law and order olunga irukka, theft engadhu nadakudha, everything you will see, and other along with the other police officers and the inspectors and the constables. So for police now we have to call 100. For emergency or fire or any accident we have to call the, for ambulance we have to call 108, and for fire we have to call 101. So these are the numbers. And dad, how was the district collector selected? Okay, for collector he is given he has been elected, and departments are given, and under each department each people will serve the nation. Dad, how is the district collector selected? So district collector eppadi select பண்ணுவாங்க? Father, IAS officers are recruited by UPSA. So district collector how they will select the, how is the district collector is selected? District collector is selected by enna exam எழுதுவாங்க? By UPSA, that is Union Public Service Commission. Union Public Service Commission. Okay, Union Public Service Commission. These IAS officers, these IAS officers are appointed by the district collector. So IAS officers the appointed IAS officers appoint பண்றது district collectors. Okay, yeah, and they will selected by the Union Public Service Communication. District educational officers monitors the educational and the administrative department. So educational district educational officer enna பண்ணுவாங்க, they will take care of monitors the educational, நம்ம படிப்பு சம்பந்தமான எல்லாத்துக்கும் they will see the district educational officers. இந்த தமிழ்நாடு பப்ளிக் சர்வீஸ் கமிஷன் TNPC ன்னுவாங்க, TNPSC, that is Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. This Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission is recruited by the State Public Service Personnel. So, இது வந்து Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission வந்து State Public Commission மூலமா it will go on. Then Dad, can you tell me more about them? So, District Collector is the head of the Revenue Department. And District Collector seeks assistance from the police force to maintain the law and order in the district. So, District Collector can seek the assistance from the police force to maintain the law and order. And Superintendent of Police follows the order of the District Collector. And Superintendent of District Collector, what orders they are giving up, that he will follow. They inform District Collector time to time about the law and order. So, they inform the collector time to time what's happening there, the law and order. And District Collector also supervises local bodies like District Board, Village Panchayat and Municipal Committees. Not only this in the collector also will supervise the local bodies, that is Village Panchayat and the Municipal Committees on the District Board also he will see. And prompt actions during the natural disasters are taken by the District Collector. During the heavy rain or flood or any disaster, it will come in, even this corona, COVID, everything, this one, he has to take actions during the District Collector has to take the prompt actions by the District Collector. And District Collector has a major role in the development of the government. So, he will be taking a major role in the government also. And he makes sure that the policies should reach the people. So many policies are announced by the government. So, that policies should properly reach the people, and that also must say by the District Collector. Okay, Dad, I will share all this in my class. So, what Kaveri is telling, I will share what all he learned from her father. He will collect it to the other friends and teachers. So, that's all about the District Collector. Here they given the glossary. Disaster means a natural event that results in a huge damage. Then personal, people working in a particular department. Here in page number 105, he has given some true or false. District Collector take actions during the natural disaster, that is true. And District Collector does not supervise local bodies, that is false. He will see the local bodies also. The Superintendent of Police does not make sure that policy reaches the people. That is true. The Superintendent of Police does not make sure that policy reaches the people. The District Collector works along the different departments head for the smooth functioning of the district. That is also true. Then here's the recap is there. District Collector is the administrative of the district. And District Collector is responsible for the proper and smooth functioning of the district. Then District Administration is constituted of different departments of the district as Police Department, Medical Department, Forest Department and Educational Department. And District Collector seek assistance from the police force to maintain law and order in the districts. Then prompt actions during the natural disaster are taken by the District Collector. So, this is the lesson about this. So, you can go through this, children. So, in this, you are saying about the District Collector has been elected by the district. What is the District Collector will do? He is the administrative of the district and is responsible for the proper and smooth functioning of the any district. So, he cannot take over personally all the duties by himself. He will come under the assistance of the District Collector like Medical Officer, Superintendent of Police and Forest Officer, Educational Officer, Revenue Divisional Officers and other officers. Okay. And health officers are responsible for the government hospitals in the district, and they will take charge on the advices of health and the sanitary conditions of the district. And the Superintendent of Police will take care of the law and order. Okay. And then IAS officers. So, IAS officers are recruited by the UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission. So these IAS officers now என்ன பண்றாங்க, they will appointed as a district collectors and district educational officer monitors. The educational officer யார் monitor, department monitor பண்றது educational and administrative activities in the district. And Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission was recruited by the state public service personnel. And district collector is the head of the revenue department. He maintains the law and order, and superintendent of police follows the order of the district collector. And district collector supervises the local bodies like district board, village panchayat and municipal committees. And prompt actions எடுக்கும்போது எப்போ எடுப்பாங்க, during the natural disaster like flood and heavy rain. The district collector has a major role in the development of the government also, and he makes sure that policies should reach the people. So this is the lesson about the district collector. Okay, now yes, they are given, choose the correct answer. First one, choose the correct answer. So in this, choose the correct answer. I will write only the answer, no options. Dash administrative head of the district. So district collector is the administrative head. Of the district. Then second one, dash are responsible for government hospitals. Health officers are responsible for the government hospitals. Okay. Then third one, law and order is maintained by the police department. Law and order is maintained. Which department? Police department. So this law and order. Chief educational officer. Chief educational officer is responsible. I guess it along. Educational officer. Chief educational officer ensures the proper functioning. Functioning of educational department in your district. So the answer, C, Chief Educational Officer. This is the answer. Then fifth one, health officer advises on sanitation of the district. Health officer advises on sanitation of the district. So I said this is the choose. I didn't give the options. I have just written the straight answer. So health officer advises on sanitation of the district.